to start with the rice. This is the rice I want to use. Okay, 3 cups, and 3 cups to 5 cups of water that I have measured in here. But I'm going to parboil this rice. I'm going to put it in a pot, and when the water starts to boil, I'll put it in and it will stay for 5 minutes. For the other cooking, I'm going to be using this. Here we have onions, red onions, white onions. These are the onions I'm going to use for this sauteing. Chopped garlic, and this is half teaspoon, and this is half teaspoon. Okay, half teaspoon. So these two will go together. These two will go together. Okay, these two will go together. I'll bring it closely. Okay, then I have oil. So this is half cup of oil. This is another half cup of oil. When I do the stir frying, I'm going to use these two together, and when I do the cooking of the rice, I'm going to use these two together. So this together, and then this together. So this over here is 10 pieces of gizzard. 10 pieces of gizzard already boiled. Okay, I've already boiled them, 10 pieces. Okay, then we have stock. Has a stock. Okay, why is this thing so blurry? So we have the meat. Okay, 10 pieces of the grilled chicken. Then we have the stock. Okay, as a stock. Then we'll have the boiled gizzard, 10 pieces. Okay, so over to the other ingredients. I have the carrots. Okay, 1 cup. I have green pea. I really want to be generous with this green pea because it's packed with protein. 2 cups, and if it's getting too much, I'll reduce it. Then we have bell pepper. Okay, then here we have salt. This is curry powder. They look the same. This is mixed spice. I made a video on this. You can check it out. I also made a video on this. You can check it out. This is chili pepper. So this is all we have, and then we want to start. I'm going to do the parboiling off camera. I'll get back to you. These are the ingredients I want to use right now: the oil and also the curry powder. Okay, so again, it is something like this. So I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to add the oil, half cup, into this. Now I'm going to add this as a garlic, 1 tablespoon. So just stir everything together. This is the rice already parboiled. So we're going to stir fry. This process is going to make your rice last long. It will not spoil on time. So over here now, I'm going to add the salt. Okay. I've already boiled the water. Okay, so actually I forgot to add this. So I'm going to add the stock. Okay. And this. This is the gizzard. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try it a bit. It is now time to add this. Okay.
Mommy, well done.
I know the God bless you. Okay. Put this one aside. Okay. And bring this one here. And then you press. And then have this. Okay?
No, you don't have to
I
have
have
that
this.
one.
I'm going to pour everything into it. Okay. I decided to add this. Okay, so just for the protein content to be much. So this is optional, but now we just add the chicken. Thank you very much. So this is what we have.